This was one of those low-stress jobs. A dead spruce with a bit of a lean, which is why I'm going with a smaller notch here. Nice wide open drop zone as well, so lots of room to play. You'll see me spend a little extra time here cleaning up the notch, just because it's good practice. And I'm also setting my back cut a little above the hinge so that it has something to push against when it pops. With a small notch, the weight of the top carries the cut away from the stump as it folds over. While putting the back cut in, I spend most of my time looking at the top. That's to be able to judge when and where it's going as I put the cut in. That's also why I cut so slow, because I'm trying to feel the cut. And I want to check every now and then to be sure that I'm not cutting through the hinge. If that were to happen, I would lose all control of where the tree is going as it falls. Right here is where I'm thinking to myself, why didn't I put my screen down earlier? I would have saved that sawdust in the eyes that prevents you from being able to see what's happening. Clearing out as the fall is happening is good practice to make sure that no branches are falling on you and that no barber chair splinters hit you. I have the bar on the stump as I tension the chain. This keeps the falling sights accurate when I snug up. Cutting the stump as low as I can puts a lot of stress on the bar and chain of the saw. This stress causes friction, and friction causes heat. Heat causes things to expand, which is why I had to stop and tension up the chain midway through this cut. All that friction was working the saw pretty hard as well. You'll see me wedge the kerf to reduce that friction. And the coffee table cookie is complete.